natin.
Ayun na. 5th day in London. Oh, ang lamig-lamig. Oh, pa.
Wala pang ganito dito. Sagwa pala ng kana natin kung isang pan. Oo.
Hi! Vlog ko to ha. Panoodin mo yung vlog natin. Subscribe mo na din ako.
Oo. Baka sakaling may mag-mine. Ay, mabalabol.
Uy, stop pa.
Uy! Wala kang insurance!
Tumawid na. Hindi pa stop.
Hindi pa.
Energy drink ko.
Ay, what? Energy drink yun?
Oh, energy drink. Magpapalpitate ka nito. This one is from Madrid. Ah? Briton. Ako Kapampangan.
Ubusan dito sa Europe, di ba?
Oo nga. Pareho. Ayun! London bus. Kalimutan ko na naman magsuklay. Ayun. Dito kami. Sa second floor ng bus. Subscribe mo ako para pang ano ka na, 5,990.
Okay.
Ayun, Goldmore earning everyone. Hello from London, capital of United Kingdom. Hello everyone. Today's episode is, first of all, I would like to thank my newly found friend, Jem, and of course, my very truly beloved friend, ano po, na si Bella, no, sa taking time and opportunity, no, ng kanyang day off para po tayo po ay maigala, no, together with Jem from Spain, Madrid pa siya, no. Ililibot po niya tayo today, no, sa Harrods. Ayan, yung one of the famous shopping mall here in London. Yan, sasaksihan natin, ano, yung pinag-uusapang Harrods before, mula nung namatay si Princess Diana together with the son of one of the tycoon here in London, Dodi Al Fayed. Yan, I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Ayun, so sit back and relax, no? And I will tour you around. We will tour you around Harrods. Yan, Harrods. Nagkakamali kasi kami ng pagbanggit Harrods kami ng Harrods which is wrong pronunciation daw. Dapat daw Harrods. Yun. Ewan ko kung tama na ako doon. Anyways, ayun, libutin po natin ang loob. I hope pwede tayong mag-video sa loob, ano? At pagka pinayagan tayong mag-video sa loob, ayan, may papasyal ko kayo sa loob. So, watch until the end of this video. Thank you so much. Enjoy watching, everyone. Can I take video? And this is Balenciaga. Oh my goodness, asa yung cover ng mata ko? Can you check how much is that? The pink one? Yeah, the size. How much is that?
Hindi na ba ako nakalabas? Hindi nyo...
So let us proceed here in a central area, I think. Oh my goodness. Let's look for memorabilia of Princess Diana. Princess Diana, where it is. So this is the until 6th floor. Ang alam ko may memorabilia dito si Princess Diana and Alpha yun. Yung parang monument nila here inside. So we're going to try to look around and let's look for that place. Sa ngayon, we are looking around. Hindi ko makita yung kay Princess Diana. Wow, it's so nice. Look at that. Okay everyone, no? Elanian people, aminin ko na sa inyo. Ako gulong-gulo. I feel so busy, no? Hindi lamang sa mga presyo na nakikita ko inside. But yung design mismo ng mall ay medyo nakakalito. Would you imagine, hinanap namin yung CR. It took us several minutes in order for us to locate the toilet kung tawagin nila dito sa UK, ang comfort room. At talaga namang nakakalito, maybe because this is our first time, no? Pero talagang nakakalito siya. Imagine that, nasa Harrods tayo. Tapos ang bag ko, galing lang siya ng Lazada, 125 pesos. Oh, look at that, travel light. Mga bags here. Grabe yung mga presyo. 150,000 pesos, 1.5 million pesos. Oh my goodness. Nagbagong buhay na tayo. 50%? 40%.
50.
Ah, 50%.
Oh, 50%.
Okay. Alright, good.
110 and 50. 110? Akala ko 60.
Look at that, Gordon Ramsay.
It's really nice.
Ayun, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating Harrods trip.